When we are sick, doctor gives medicine. Police keep ourselves and police letter this. Postman gives letter and parcel to our home. Tailor stitch our clothes, barber cut our hair, sanitary workers keeps our surrounding clean. They are so much for